I pull up in foreign whips. Ay, touch your leg with my fingertips. You looking in that rear view. Yeah, do you listen, then you blow a kiss. It's something about the way that your silhouette do a pirouette, the form of two naked bodies in bed. Yeah, a beat sting only for a taste. The spring revives whatever winter. Until you ever feel it was never real. Like everything we built was only time to kill. I never was the one to rely on. And if you're up, leave a light on.
Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Gang Fam Squad, what is up? So today, we're in a bit of a pickle. Me and the boys are going to attempt to slam the 350Z tonight. And we're drinking. So, this was something, I think we all kind of came up with it. We just seem to always work better when we're intoxicated. So we are going to attempt to install the 350Z coilovers a little hammered. So that's today's video. We have, oh God, BC coilovers, so we're gonna attempt to slam it on its ass. And that's pretty much it. Without further ado, wish us luck, here we go. Anything to the kids?
No. Don't do this all.
Hit it. Bet. All right, save some for the rest of us. It's basically 9. World's fastest coilover install. Spin done. Does anybody honestly care? No. Drunkest install vlog. Everyone's fucking with it. So we're guesstimating between drinking, snacking, and actually working on this thing an hour and a half. So we are projected to get this thing done by 10:30. So we're done fucking around. We're slamming shots. We're breaking wheels off. Godspeed. This one's for you. Okay, so the rears are done. BC BR coilovers, replace the stock strut. Spring, it's not a true coilover. You get a replacement spring, a little shorter compared to the gigantic freaking OEM one. So, we got one side left to do. Gotta tap one strut, or one bolt, because it got a little strip banging it out, but we're about to slam this side after a quick run to my house. And now that we know how to do this, the other side should be, hey, 30 minutes. 30 minutes? 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 30 minutes? 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Commentary by Dave. Okay, so the one side is all done. We're slapping the wheel on right now. That fucking sway bar end link, whatever the fuck, fucked us for like literally an hour. So, I'm sober Sally. We're getting this wheel on, we're slamming it, and we're doing a shotgun. Are you in?
Shotgun?
Yeah.
I'm chugging a lot of this thing.
Fine, fuck it. I'm sober as hell, not having a good time, need more drinking. All right. So, truth be told, we're a little sauced, and we don't have one strut up yet. We almost do, but the end link is being a bitch. We're gonna take the strut off, compare it to the coilovers, adjust it where we think. I think I'm just gonna fucking slam it, which is a horrible idea, because it's winter, and we have shitty winters here, so probably not the best idea to daily drive a static car in the winter, but hey, we're fucking it up. Not as far along as I'd hoped, but that's how it goes. All right, so end link was being a bitch, ended up having to cut it. Took the new ones, maxed them all the way out. Cody's doing the front end right now. I just got the rear out. Here's the new ones, so we're about to slap these in. This side's gonna be done, we're gonna do the same thing. End link's gonna be a bitch. We're just gonna end up cutting it like the other one. I'm 4 shots in. Cody, you're like what, 2 shots in? And we're making good time. Everything is okie dokie. All right, first side is done. Slam it.
Dude, what a difference.
Not bad. It'll go lower. We still have to do the other side, but we're gonna roll it off the wood so we can save the wood for the other side, and then we'll reset it.
Oh yeah.
But not fucking too bad.
Now you need real.
Yeah,
like work.
I'm poor. Okay. All right, so one side is pretty much all done. To be honest, I'm not as sauced as I'd like to be, so we're gonna try to catch it right now. 30-minute bang out the other side. I'm calling it. So we're already way behind because that one end link, but I say literally 30 minutes for the other side. So I'm gonna sip this. We're gonna get that tire back on, and then we're doing shotguns. Okay, done. Last strut over there. This side's done. I'm curious to how low the backs are gonna actually sit.
Alright, Chuck, what's the torque?
What? What's the what?
What's the torque?
I don't know what he's saying, but okay, I'm going back to work. All right, to avoid last time situation, we're not even gonna fuck with the sway bar. We're literally just gonna cut through the strut. Cody, cut the other side. You a little buzzed? Use some power tools?
A little bit.
All right.
Same spot, right?
Yep, you got glasses, so you should be fine. Okay.
Kurt, look! It's pulling apart, man.
They said it's...
I don't think this is supposed to be separate.
Pull it out then. Pull the trigger.
Dude, I'm afraid, man.
By the time I get that Cody box.
How you feel about using power tools fucked up?
Oh, it is fucked up.
Next one is the best.
Officially done. Took us mad longer. Cody's gonna drop it right now. We're gonna see what it's looked like, and we're gonna continue getting hammered. You. Okay, so it was a pain in the ass, but the Z is static, I guess. Front end, extremely low. Looks pretty good. Back end, not as good as I wanted it to be. I'm gonna have to figure something out. Maybe I'll just get a different type of BC coilover for the rears. But fronts came out real good. Slam pretty nice. This car is so filthy, so forgive me. It's winter time here, so I really can't help it. But the back end, I need like at least another inch, man. Another inch or two. It doesn't seem so bad when you look at it from back to front, but it's just, I don't know. Back end has to just go down a little bit. All in all though, it does look a lot better than what it was. And I mean, we still have a long way to go. We're gonna go get tints on Tuesday. You guys will be getting this Monday. I'm probably gonna wash it up, give you guys a better walk around in the morning. But it's mad late, it's like 3 now, so I'm gonna finish getting hammered and I will see you guys tomorrow. So thank you guys, oh God. All right, C's done, it's 3 a.m. I'm gonna finish getting hammered. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. What do we do?
Like and subscribe. Follow that link in the description. Hit up the merch. LilLifeGang.com.